hung comfort like a curtain on the door. But we took the switchbacks up the crown, where the ridgeline whispers there's more. They salt their fears with silver coins and warm their hands by easy screens. We trade our change for a borrowed compass and friendship stitched with evergreens. In that yellow wood, two paths unfold. One runs smooth and one leaves you cold. Against the grain, you've got to stray. Take the narrow road like a renegade. They say be your own truth, be your own river, but a stream unfed turns dust and bone. So we pass the canteen hand to shiver, and the spring runs sweet when we're not alone. We don't hoard barns against the weather. We stack stories like seasoned wood, break our bread in the lean toast shelter, share the heat the way neighbors should. In that yellow wood, two paths unfold. One runs smooth and wide but leaves you cold. Against the grain, you've got to stray. Take the narrow road like a renegade. There's a trail that runs uphill backward, where the last walk first and the lost breathe free. It cuts through briar past the guarded pastures, and the shepherd's mark is the only key. Who keeps watch on the mountain high? Not the gold below, but the king on high. What's the prize past the river wide, the narrow trail to the other side? In that yellow wood, two paths unfold. One runs smooth and wide but leaves you cold. Against the grain, you've got to stray. Take the narrow road like a renegade. The road well traveled is crowded and dull. It steals your fire, it empties your soul. But we'll shout the songs and the coyotes